If you're declaring yourself a billionaire but without the corresponding financial credentials, the reasons behind such a proclamation could vary. Here are some potential reasons someone might identify this way, and the implications or motivations behind each. Mindset and positive affirmation. Some people believe that by proclaiming and visualizing their success, they're more likely to achieve it. This is related to the law of attraction, which suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. Branding or marketing. In a world driven by social media and personal branding, a provocative title might garner attention. By calling oneself a billionaire, one might attract curiosity, followers, or potential business opportunities. Satire or social commentary. It could be a form of irony or a commentary on the superficial nature of modern success definitions. Declaring oneself a billionaire in this context could be a way to challenge or mock societal values. Delusion or fantasy. In some cases, people might genuinely believe they have more than they do due to cognitive distortions or mental health issues. A different definition of wealth. Some people measure wealth not in monetary terms, but in experiences, relationships, knowledge, or other intangible qualities. Proclaiming oneself a billionaire might be a metaphorical way of saying they feel immensely rich in life. Inspiration or motivation. By setting a high bar for oneself, it might serve as a personal challenge or motivational tool. Every time they declare or hear the title, it could serve as a reminder of the goals they've set for themselves. A desire for recognition or validation. For some, the title might compensate for feelings of inadequacy or a desire to be recognized. Being seen as successful or influential can boost one's self-esteem. If you genuinely consider yourself a self-proclaimed billionaire, understanding why you feel that way and what you intend to communicate with that title can help ensure that your message is effectively and positively conveyed to others.